So guys, I tried this illusion pattern for braids with my handmade crochet. So in this video I'll be showing you how I made it. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching for the first time, please do well to subscribe, and thank you so much to my new subscribers.
So this is the handmade crochet I made myself. I'll be using the 4 packs. I made the loops big so that it could fit in any size of hair. Later I'll be showing you how I made the crochet. So later I wash my hair, dry it, then we're ready to work. So I cut the part into 2, then cut both sides that I'll be using for the illusion braids. Then I cut the sideline into 2 boxes, and I made the first box a little, so I cut the sideline into 2 boxes that's close to the hair, and I braid the first box a little, like I braid it a little, then add it to the second when picking it. So that's how I made it for all of them at the front. So for the back, I cut a straight line and 4 boxes. So I braided each of them. So I went back to try to weave the hair in a straight line, but it wasn't really straight. So I pick each braid at the back. As I was weaving it, I was picking each braid at the back. When you get to the side, I'll pick it, and that's how I made the weaving for the crochet.
So I started to put in the crochet from the back to the front and continue. So when I got to the middle part, I was already tired. As you can see in the video, I was already tired. Man was already pinning me. So I took a break for a while, then I continued again.
So when I got to the front, I saw that it was quite scanty to with the illusion method, so I just decided to feed in all any gaps I saw. And so let me know in the comment section, should I have just leave the illusion like that, or is it good, is it nice the way it is right now?